Time Value of Money, Chapter 5. Special considerations in time value analysis to keep in mind. Compounding frequency. Certain contractual agreements may require semi-annual, quarterly, or monthly compounding periods. In such cases, N equals number of years times number of compounding periods during the year. I is quoted annual interest. You need to divide that by the number of compounding periods during the year. Patterns of payment. Problems may evolve around a number of different payments or receipt patterns. Not every situation involves a single amount or an annuity. A contract may call for the payment of a different amount each year over the stated period or a period of specifically annuities. Now within this course we're not using a lot with calculations of annuities. I won't make you do that within any projects we're doing, but just keep that in mind if you did ever come across that. Patterns of payment. Cases. Assume a contract involving payments of different amounts each year for a 3-year period. To determine the present value, each payment is discounted to the present and then totaled, assuming an 8% discount rate. You can see the example below. Deferred annuity. Situations involving a combination of single amounts and an annuity, when annuity is paid sometime in the future. Assuming a contract involving payments of different amounts each year for a 3-year period, an annuity of $1,000 is paid at the end of each year from the 4th through the 8th year. To determine the present value of the cash flows at 8% discount rate, you would use this formula to calculate that. Again, we will not be doing any examples on annuities. This will not be on any exams or in any case studies that you'll be completing. This is an example to determine the annuity versus the present value over, say, an 8-year term for a deferred annuity. Deferred annuity case continued. As you can see, end of the 3rd period, beginning of the 4th period, and see the amounts calculated in there and the example provided. An alternate method to compute deferred annuity, determining the present value factor annuity for the title time period where N equals 8, I is 8%, and the present value of 5.74. Determine the present value factor of the annuity for the total time period minus the deferred annuity period. Subtracting the value in step 2 from the value of step 1 and multiplying by 8. So you would see the present value of the annuity would be 3,170. 3,170 is the same answer for the present value of the annuity as that reached by the first method. Present value of the 5-year annuity is added up to the present value of the inflows over the first 3 years to arrive at. Our total present value of 8,192. End of part 3.